image processing applications are very compute-intensive applications. And when you develop them, you usually use very powerful PCs. And then when you want to port this application in embedded systems, you don't have the computing power you need to do that, or you don't have the computing power efficiency exactly to do that, because you can always find the correct system that will execute, but with a higher power consumption. So what TULIPP aims at is to improve the efficiency of the system, and it brings together a hardware platform, an operating system, and a tool chain that helps achieving this goal.
We use the platform for 3 use cases, which come from the industrial partners of the project. We have a medical use case for real-time image processing in surgery applications using a C-arm from Thales. And we have an ADAS application from Synective Labs to detect pedestrians in real time, of course, and it also should be very small to be mounted inside the car. And the last use case are drones from Fraunhofer IOSB in Germany. They show a use case which you might see in the background, which 2 stereo camera vision, so doing to show a disparity map in the image.